Shalom, shalom. In today's video, we will be discussing the secret of the Ark of the Covenant. And this book, which is called Apples from the Orchard, is a composition of a few different texts. We see commentaries from Sha'ar HaPisukim, from Likutei, and other texts. So here, on page 430, the Arizal, chief disciple Chaim Vital, is explaining the explanation for the secret of the Ark. And it says, therefore, when the word for Ark, Aaron, produces the numerical value of a katariel plus that of Metatron plus Sandalphon. And so it says here that the gematria value of Ekatariel, Metatron, and Sandalphon is the value of Aaron, which is the word for the Ark. We're going to explain what this means. And so it says, know also that the Shekinah, this is Malkuth, in Atzilut becomes vested in the Keter of Berea, because the link of Malkuth to Keter. And these are the three arks, Akatariel and Berea, Metatron and Yetzirah, and Sandalphon and Asiya. And it says here, regarding the ark, that the ark was gold on the outside, and in the middle, wood, and on the outside, gold. So since the top of the supernal tree is Bina, and its bottom is Malkuth, the inner and outer arks were made of gold, meaning the world of Berea and the world of Asiya, whereas the middle of the ark, which corresponds to Yetzirah, was made of wood, because it is written, man is a tree. So where do we find this Ekatariel? We can find mentionings of Ekatariel here in Isaiah chapter 56, verse 5. And it is written here that he will give them a name everlasting which shall not be cut off. And the words which shall not be cut off, which is Asher, Lo, Yikeret, can be rearranged to say Shar, which means prince, Ketar, El, Prince Ekatariel. It was just explained here that Ekatariel corresponds to Berea. And so it was also explained that the numerical value for Ark is the name of Ekatariel, Metatron, and Sandalphon. And so we find here, in regards to the Ark of the Covenant, Ekatariel is in the world of Berea, because Berea in the Zohar is referred to as the sun, and the metal of the sun is gold. Therefore, the inside of the ark is gold, and the inside here corresponds to the inner world Berea. The outside of the ark is also gold, and this corresponds to Sandalphon, because in the world of Asiya, the 7 planets are represented as the chambers of Asiya are represented by the 7 planets, and the sun being included there, of which metal is gold. Therefore, it is gold on the outside and gold on the inside, and in the middle is wood. And this corresponds to Metatron and Yetzirah. And the secret of this is it is written, man is a tree. And because it is written, man is a tree, it is wood in the middle. And man, of course, being Adam, is a name for Zerainpin. And Zerainpin, of course, are these Sephirot, Chesed, Gevur, Tiferet, Netzach, Hod, Yisod, of any given world. And so thus we see the Ark of the Covenant is gold on the inside, gold on the outside, and wood in between. And we see the values of Ekatariel, which is 662, Metatron, which is 314, and Sandalphon, which is 280, equal the value of Ark. And it says regarding this, Aaron, Aleph, Resh, Vav, Nun. Taking Aleph as 1,000, this gives 1,000 plus 200 plus 6 plus 50, which is 1,256. If you guys would like to know more about these levels, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Any suggestions, you guys always feel free to check out my TikTok. With that being said, we've just learned the secret of the worlds. We learned that the Shekinah of Atzilut is the Keter of Berea, because Malkuth is linked to Kether, according to the gates. And we learned why it's gold on the inside, because Berea is the sun. We also learned that Asiya is also represented by the sun, so it's gold on the outside. And we learned the secret of why it's wood in the middle. We also learned the names of the angels which composite the Zerayin of these respective worlds. Metatron has also been attributed with 6 wings. These wings, of course, corresponding to the paths of these Sephirot. Same thing with Sandalphon and Catariel. All right, everybody. Well, with that being said, have a wonderful day. Many blessings. Shalom. Salah.